All right. Hello, everyone. Okay. So let's start from where we have left. Is audio fine? Okay, cool. Fine then. Um, in our last live, actually, we were able to generate an authentication token um, using our API, which is our login API. Actually, we have this API here. We should have reused it. Anyways, let's just keep it everything in the same thing so that we can later on use this APIs for maybe MCPs or some other use cases. Anyways, fine. So this is how we were able to generate it, this token. Let me just rerun this. Yeah. Python main.py, and then we need our postman. We need this postman to query it, right? Let me hide everything. Anyways, so if I send this username and password, I don't think we need this username password like this. I think body is enough. Yeah. No, missing username password. Okay, maybe request dot I don't know how to grab that. Okay, I can't send it like this. mm, Let me use fast. Actually, we can use it for now, but yeah, let's just try to use it in the right way. So create items. An item name food. Okay, fine. Most probably we'll need to define this. Let's say class login request base model. Yeah, username password, and then request. I'll say this, and this will be request dot username. This will be request dot password. Same for this. Same for this. Yeah, everywhere, almost everywhere. Perfect. Unprocessable. Okay, let me restart this. Cool. Where is my postman? Send it. Input should be valid directory objects. Okay. Our first API items. Okay. I don't know how to. Okay. Maybe if I return this directly, let me return request. So that way we'll be able to understand like what are we getting as a response. I know this is like a minor thing. We can live without it. Unprocessable entity. What is this? Unprocessable entity. Postman. Detail. Unprocessable entity. 422. Do we have any 422 response? 401. Access token. Request. HTTP exception. Oh, maybe here. 422. No, that is 500. Okay. Not sure. Not sure. Like from where we are getting this 422 response? We have post method unprocessable entity. Probably I'll just try to log this request and nothing else. Whenever we get a call, uh, Yeah, let's keep the exception for now because we have try catch block here. Just try to print that request running at 9005, UVCon running at 9005, but why? I mean, why are we not getting this response back? I don't know why. Let's just try to fix it. Most probably, this is something not correct. I don't know why. As per this documentation, my that's what I was doing, right? Request.password is equal to admin, and yeah, that's what I was doing. Request.username. I don't know. Maybe there's some other way. This should be JSON. Oh, perfect. There was a there was a comma missing, so that's why we were not getting it. But yeah, we have this token now. Now what after that? Okay, so I want to apply authentication on this chat as well, right? So here request dot header, maybe I will reuse this logic, right? uh, let's say hotels token annotated, yeah, that way, right? We are using annotated, depends on auth scheme. Auth password is token, we are a token. Security, fast API security. Yeah, let's try to use the same logic in here also. So depends is fine. Dependencies, rate limiter. Yeah, we have rate limiter also. But after that, we need a security also, which has a token login. Fine. Login main. Okay. OAuth schema. We need this. Probably we need to shift this somewhere up above. It will be better if I keep it somewhere here in the declaration part. And then I need to import from security auth to token URL, auth to schema. Schema is not being used. Let's go in main. So I need to annotate this token like this. Perfect. And then if I go to chat API, security token, is it the right way? I don't know. Maybe hotel, get hotel. Inside this function. Okay, okay. Inside this function, not inside this. Okay, and then we need to verify this token. Okay, perfect. Now, if I go back and try to run this UI, but first of all, I'll need to rerun this, my server. Something is wrong. Token annotated depends. No, I don't. Okay, follows default argument. What is this? Async definition chat argument follows the default argument. Okay. Mm, I think is it in imports? Verified token annotated. Okay, let's see. Depends. Yeah, they should be covered. Perfect. Now let's go back and try to run our UI, which is stream. App.py. Streamlit run app.py. Oh, is it a right command? Oh yeah, that's right command. Perfect. Now my backend is also working, and then oh, hold on. But now, yeah, not authenticated. How do I implement authentication on this? Streamlit secrets for Toml. Streamlit, okay, session, access token, initialize login status is none. If, okay, Streamlits, let's just try to implement this. Streamlits, if access token, go to login page, definition of login page. Fast API host, fast API port. Request not defined. Request not defined. Fast API host and Fast API port. Reload. Admin. Admin login. Invalid format specified. Line number 23. Okay, what is this? Username, password, invalid format specifier. Invalid format specifier. Login. Can we segregate login and chat page? I think I don't know how to define the routes, but yeah, let's go through Streamlit documentation. Oh, let's see what have they done. So issue login route. Okay, where is the login route? No, that's not the right place. This one is the right login. Yeah, fast API chat URL, login URL. Ah, okay. If you do not have token, okay. If you do not have token, where are we calling this function? Yeah, if session is none. Okay, chat interface. Fine, cool. Streamlit. Perfect. Let me add admin. Then also admin. Login. Login successfully. Am I using Virat Kohli? Are we using? Okay, this one is accepted. Host. Yeah, we want that fast API port and host to be taken from our environment file, and then fast API chat. Okay, fine. This is to define the URLs, and then what else? This is session state. Every time we are initializing the message to nulls, and then login with API, login request. Okay, this is login. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is login. This is login. Then this is messages to none. Chat interface. Chat interface backend API call. Okay, fine. Session passage, backend URL, caption. Okay, and then type your message here. Okay, type your message here is fine. I'm more interested in understanding how are we calling the API, because that is something might fail. Okay, yeah, here you see this. This is really important, and with this I can expect that this query should work, because let's try. Who is Virat Kohli? Because the thing is that we are passing this access token, which has to be intercept by which has to be taken care by this API. Where is the chat API? Chat API, because we have access token, some, yeah, token here, and then we can expect data back. But now here we are not getting anything. Is it a okay? Let's try to log something. Token and the request. Okay, can we use this token as a second parameter, not the first parameter? Okay, fine. Let me restart my server. What was this? Schema non-default argument allows default argument. What's this? It's better, but if I try to add a chat with this auth JWT with barrier, not this one, headers, authentication, authorization, sorry, then bearer, send, method not allowed, method not allowed. uh it's oh, wait, it's a get method, right? Oh, okay, it's a get method, and get method is dependent on request, chat request. What type? This is message. Now if I add medium message, oh, what is capital of India? We send it. Missing field required. What is this field required? Unpossessable entity. uh which field is required, bro? Why chat authentication is not working? Dependencies is fine. mm, Add credentials. Obviously we need token. Two different mismatch. One client call using post chat. Get likely a message query. Oh, I think it's both get and post. Then the chat, first is token, then a message. I don't know what is this, bro. X generator. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think at least we got this chat here, but nothing we are getting as a response back. So verified token. I don't know what's the network call here. Event collected successfully. Probably I'm not receiving any response back. No, not a token, but yeah, message and everything we want to log, request log, so that we can uh, okay. So we receive token, we receive message, yeah, perfect, and request is none. Request is none. Why do we need request? Request dot message. Uh, yeah, okay, it's for I guess yeah, post message. Fine. Oh, we received it. Who is Virat Kohli? We received it. Perfect. Kohli captaincy role. Perfect. 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 All right. All right. All right. All right. We received the chat. We probably don't need that logs, but yeah, let's just keep it for now. It's easy to understand and dissect. Perfect. Whatever is working needs to be updated so that you can also access it. I will provide this GitHub link probably at the description itself. Let's just I'll okay, I'll add it, I promise. So what have we done till now? We have our login. With using login, we can now generate a token. Okay, actually I have not tried passing some random login method, random username and password. Let me hard reload it. Is my UI running? Okay, it's running. If I pass something random, what are we getting? 200 message saying collected successfully. What is this? Oh, timeout. What timeout? We had a login. What is this? And why it is working for admin? Chat. Oh, why are we not receiving that request, bro? Payload webhooks. Okay, and on login click something has happened. Let me go to login button. If I go to login here, login here, button, login request, a string dot login. Yeah, that's correct. Button login, st dot button login, username, password, input text, yes. Oh, connection, read timeout. See. Oh, something is wrong with this. Task exception was never retrieved. I don't know why. What is this issue, bro? Socket. Is that your EP is actually working on the chat and on both times? Stack trace is Windows socket disconnect issue. Async input output. I need to understand how async work, but this is what service OS name is anti. Avoid noisy protector socket. Okay, It's something Windows feature, I guess, that is interrupting it. But yeah, let's just rerun it. Perfect. Let's let's try to provide some random username and password. Let's see if that works. Invalid credentials. That's great. Now, if we pass, let's say admin and admin. Oh wait, admin and admin. Yeah, perfect. We have this here. Logged in. Now, um, where is Vietnam? Occupies the small South China Sea, China to the north. Okay, Laos. Okay, fine. Okay, we have authentication. Now we have rate limiting also. If I try to query something within like a 2 minutes to, okay, we will get this response back saying too many queries, right? So we have rate limiting also. Currently it is set to 2. We have authentication, this that. Okay, fine. Now next thing that we'll, okay, but first of all, I guess we should now start documenting things what we have learned and what something that we have to investigate or improve. Let me quickly open new terminal, and then let me open Notion. mm, Let me add new maybe later, favorite, private. Okay, database. Okay, just a minute, I'm just trying to find best place to new, okay, create new page. Okay, agent, agent live notes. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's just try to take some notes, what we have learned till now and what where we need to reach. First of all, we use Streamlit UI, but ultimately we need to find best chat UI, correct? Then we have used we used I think bearer token for auth, but I think we should explore OAuth. Then what else could have been better? Just the note, SSE is server side event. I need to explore more on its working mechanism. But the based on my understanding, SSC is server-side event which is transferred over the HTTP. It's, I don't know. I have intuition that it is using medium, or at least a long polling to send that event back, because they are not using sockets for sure. But when we call the API, it has events attached, so they send it back and send it back chats in the chunks. That's the important thing. The second thing we need to learn is like rate limiter is fine. Should we use user-based rate limiter? Okay, I think it's a user-based rate limiter only. Uh, Maybe it is using user's IP or Somehow it is identifying that the user it, but it no, I don't think that is user base rate limiter. This see depends rate limiter duration seconds. No, it's not a user base. But anyways, if okay, let's just keep a note. Even if it is wrong, who cares? Um, user base, or let's say IP base rate limiter. Add IP base rate limiter. Then we have chunking. We have used single LLM. Currently, I have this Gemini for free, so that's why I use this. Um, okay, going forward, whatever I'll remember, I'll just try to add it. Let's not waste our time. Now we'll need to find out another way to secure our application. And let me bring that diagram again. Nice little diagram, if you remember. Um, Let me open draw.io, start, file, open recent, open from device. Okay, wait. Do I have copy path? Open from device, and then I have this architecture XML. Is it fine? I don't know. Anyways, I have a photo. I can bring that. Yeah, found it. Okay. So now we are somewhere we reach at this stage where we have authentication and rate limiter. We have API gateway and user is trying to interact with our LLM. But yeah, we don't have these many steps like say input processing, PII data, context manager, then semantic router. We don't have those things. We directly send this request to LLM and then LLM responds back. So we don't even have tools right now. So that is something we'll need to keep on adding. But yeah, let's move on to the second or let's say third row. Let me bring it bigger. Yeah. So currently we have done with this. Now this is something we need to explore, right? PII re reduction, PII reduction, and then guardrails. All right. Agent PII reduction LangChain. Okay. Here's something we'll need to now investigate a little bit. Python. Okay, looks like there is some library. Oh, PII middleware. Okay, redact to redact. Okay, does LangChain already have it? Okay, let's go back to LangChain documentation. PII. No, nothing. PII. Oh, that's fast API. My bad. Where is it? Docs. LangChain. Docs. PII detection. Okay. Build completely custom agents and application powered by LLM. 10 lines of code, integration for the OpenAI. Fine. So it's fine. Create an agent. Okay. See the installation instructions and keep guide to get started with application LangChain. Oh, that's not PII detection. PI detection. Detect. Okay. Okay. Detect handle personal identifiable information to conversion using configurable. Okay. Middleware email. Okay. Okay. Agent. Create agent. Middleware. Perfect. I understood this. Uh, actually, LangChain made this, yeah, much easier, and that's why I like this LangChain. Wait. From la from LangChain, import PII. Okay, LangChain. Uh, there is a Python example, brother. Oh, it's not there. Python docs. Why I'm inside? Okay, JavaScript. No, no JavaScript. I don't need JavaScript. PII. It's a TypeScript. Python. Perfect. Python. PII middleware. Okay. Let's keep a little gap between these keys. Origin. Perfect. Now, yeah, we need to use this. We want credit card, email, whatnot. In fact, let's just define it somewhere, like this. Add a middleware app.fast API. This is fast API. But yeah, we can say PII middleware. Okay, and then we'll have to define this array, right, like this. I don't need this. Cool. So let's use this somewhere where we create our agent. Maybe let's see where we just an agent. Oh, hmm. We have streaming response, fast API, streaming response. Okay, event generator. Whew. Here, middleware is equal to PII middleware. Perfect. Perfect. Right. Uh, let me. There is some extra colon or inverted comma, I guess. Okay, it's running. Let me go back and refresh this. We might need to log in again. I think it should be based on local storage, but yeah, let's just keep it as it is for now. Perfect. Now, what are we checking? The middleware, PII data. Use, let's say, this is my email, saurabh@gmail.com. Okay, Saurabh, I have noted your email. This is okay. Um, okay, here. Warning, middleware is not default parameter. Middleware provides, wait. Our middleware is not working. chatbot, LLM, and then we have stream response. Yeah, it was intention. Started server process. Unexpected argument middleware provided. Okay. Probably it's in the I don't know. Yeah, stream LLM stream. But middle warning is check that environment. I mean, this is wrong as per the. How do I pass stream? No, I want. Oh wait. Okay. Found a warning caused by middleware past the Google, which is can't doesn't accept. Remove that unsupported argument. Keep the how can I make middleware working? Now, this is not something I don't want. This redirect. Yeah, let me remove this actually. Undo and no, I want this. I want to no wait. I want to undo this. To undo this. Undo this. Undo this. Okay, what is this? Middleware would work directly in the chat generation and that doesn't support it. That's why you are unexpected argument middleware. To make middleware work, use one of this fast API middleware, HTTP response, LangChain agent middleware. And, current app recommended. Okay, let's use it. I don't trust it because I've tried it create agent before, but since it's a Gemini model, right? It's not accepted by default. Let's see. There's high chances we might need to revert those changes. What has changed? Agent dot revoke. Okay, LLM. Let's try. I have high doubt that will be working. Sorry, you're feeling sad. No. Um, who is Virat Kohli? Oh, in fact, that's great. We are receiving the output, but that's again not in chunk. But anyways, let's figure it out later. For now, let's say I'll add. I want let's say information about Saurabh at the rate gmail.com. Let's see if that able to detect my. I cannot provide information about specific email address. Doing the if you have a general question reminder. Okay. How do I know that my middleware is working? So that is PII middleware strategy redact. Apply to input my email. Okay, I have that. Okay, fine. Why the hell this? I need to check, right? How PI reduction work? What change I will observe in response? One more thing. You can create a custom PI detector parameter, regex pattern. Configure the PI email strategy on the chain agent logging. Transform sensitive text in input only and then sends that transform text to the model. Chat change you observe in the response. Okay, maybe uh, I need to log this chat somewhere here. Request before we send it back. Send it to a streaming response. Here, I will print the user message. Do okay, yeah, user message. Perfect. User message ASDS. Okay, now I'll send it this. Same. Is that middleware working? Yeah. Stop logging raw message. So if you want safer logs, no. User message, even if I sent email in chat. Change the tag, the user type, user chat. User message display that in UI and change still shows for you. Server access log. Before AI invoke, right? Okay, let me accept it. Before AI invoke, I need to log it. User input, user message. user input. Let's just try. AI invoke. Uh, I'm not sure that PII direction is working because yes, PII detection can still be working. You're printing user input before it goes to the await message, runs the middleware and sends sanitize. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, the middlewares will come into picture after we query it. But then to verify middleware actually working, it's test behavior like this. If the middleware is working, model should not reliably echo the exact email. It should see redacted mask version. If you want, if you keep a raw input of logs, log only redacted copyright before yeah invo. Okay, temporary safe checks. Okay, optional compare raw versus redacted. Okay, yeah, I will try this one. Okay, what I want is I just want to verify somehow that the message is being sent to LLM is not having my email address. That's what. Not any PI data, not just email. Any PI data. What is this? No, 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 no. PI debug response not sub. No, a reword last change. Write this email in output. Perfect, perfect. You see this? This is redacted email. This is redacted email. So the story is that we don't have any PII data being sent to LLM. So that is completely working, but I want to add some more middlewares. Yeah, middleware. Yeah, let's add something more. Let's say contact number, IP address, strategy, MAC address, perfect phone number is there. Yeah, redact. Uh, how many strategies are there? Mask it. Uh, Maybe I will use this phone number as a mask, and then this strategy is what else? It's a mask. Okay, encrypt, redact. Okay, PII middleware. Where is it? I was just looking for a list of all this. Anyways, anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So custom detector. Let's say IP address. Use IP address. MAC address URL. Okay, fine. Let's just use IP address. And here I will use mask. Okay. Uh, g- Give me this. Write this IP in chat. 1, 2. Okay, let's see how the masking will work. It should not give me that exact same IP address. You see this? This is masking. Just heads up the IP address. This is masking, so it just automatically masks that few text. So okay, overall we have this guardrails also, and we have no, we don't have guardrails. We have PII detection, PII redaction. So redaction, detection, everything is fine. So we have this middleware. I'll try to ask this to write down the documentation. Let me write documentation about which technologies we used. Okay, fine. Here we want that LangChain PIM middleware. I will keep a note of it. Used LangChain PIM middleware. I think it's fine. Sync. We have made pretty decent progress. Well, I think that's enough for this live. I'll keep this repo link in the description, as well as the documentation, like which technology we have used. It is being generating. So let's wait for a while. For now, I'll just stop the live. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next live.